Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to join SAB Trading Discord server, updated. First, locate the official invite link from the SAB Trading site or pinned social posts and copy it. Next, open Discord and sign in or create an account, then verify your email to avoid restrictions. Paste the invite link into Discord, follow any prompt, and read the welcome channel for role options and rule acceptance to complete joining. After joining, you will often face verification steps to ensure community safety. Begin by completing CAPTCHA or email checks and follow on-screen prompts carefully without skipping. Next, locate the verification channel and accept the server rules or react to a message to confirm you are not a bot. Finally, select or request any roles needed to access channels such as trading, signals, or alerts so you can participate fully and stay informed. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future updates and community guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long trading sessions and fits in most cup holders, making breaks smoother and focus easier to maintain. Check the video description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thank you for watching. Now, let's get back to the video. Once inside, make a friendly introduction that mentions your trading focus and experience level so others can help you better. Use the search bar and pinned messages to find answers before posting common questions and avoid duplicate threads. Engage respectfully, follow moderator guidance, and adhere to channel-specific posting rules to keep your access and reputation. These steps help you build connections and get timely help from more experienced traders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.